Alright, let me set up stream on other platforms. I'm also gonna have to update the stream's name. Oh no, that's already done. And there we go. Alright. So, you guys haven't missed anything. Building has been finished. Now I'm testing what I've just said I'll be doing. Loading levels is way faster than it used to be. And I managed to die in the first levels. I'm awesome. Oh, that's not nice. So the game got confused. When I died, the game got confused. I'll like finish the level straight after. Like, if I die now, leave it some time. So I finish the level. It doesn't get confused. So what happens there? That I play a very small level. It's very fast to finish. And I took the eligible start and quickly finished the game and launched the next one, and somehow the game got confused, put me back in the main menu and show me just one cube with no levels. And after a while, actually when I select a level, everything gets unlocked and updated. That's a very interesting bug. Dying, restart, launching fast. Game isn't confused. If I use the main menu, nothing is loaded. Okay. That's really strange. If I play a level, then go back to the main menu. Okay, here it works. However, okay, no, he's confused. I'm as confused as the game now. So, two things seems to be happening. First, wait, am I updating? Do I say dirty? I said here. Say it's dirty here. Return to main menu. Load level, main menu. Okay, so apparently I don't need to fade first, because that's already handled. And again, you forget where I was. Okay, save system is very confused at the moment. Keeps forgets who I am and my progress, and at some point it's like, oh wait, I remember you! You're that guy. So he keeps forgetting everything. So again, no need to fade in, because apparently I'm doing this already in the return to main menu. So that's great. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of all the other stuff than success. I'm not gonna be looking for anything else than success. What I want to do, success, please do. I'm pretty sure that's what's wrong. Like, the logic somewhere is wrong. And when I return to the main menu, it says load menu, load level, main menu. So this gets initiated, and do I update everything? No, I don't. Update menu. I should. So you should say key is dirty on the launch, so I force refresh. Sorry? Oh. Okay. And yay, some High Warrior again. Oh, please don't do that. What's wrong, OBS? I've like, now it's 30 FPS, and yet my PC. What's this? I don't know what you are. Get away. If I know who you are, I get away too. Okay, much better. So yeah, I put the stream in 30 FPS because you guys don't even see 60 FPS anyway. Because for some reason my computer is lagging out. So yeah, no point showing you guys 60 FPS if I'm not reaching it anyway. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, sorry. That was you. My bad. Not gonna do that again. Never saw that process though. I've never seen that process before. Not the first time I see it. Yeah, I see. I usually don't listen to music when I'm doing this part. Never realized my computer was so overloaded. I need to upgrade my computer one of these days. Probably overclock my processor. Apparently I can like reach 4 GHz easily. Just need to change my motherboard. But again, that's what's really annoying, changing the motherboard, because you've got to unplug everything and replug everything. Yeah, it's very laggy now, great. That took forever. Jesus. Finally. Okay, I think I broke my save, so I'm gonna reset my progress. So I'm sure it's not bugging out. I'm gonna play the game. Okay, I pressed next and I'm back to the main menu. Which mean, where is that next level? Here. Which mean that and this is probably wrong. That's probably what confused my game at the first glance. That's one issue. And back to compilation. Really, that loading time is, like the compilation time is terrible. Really, I love doing this, I love working on this project. I would really love to have perfect loading time and perfect save system logic. I would really love even to do this today and now, before the end of the stream, but waiting so long every time I want to test a little thing. So I really want to make me play video games at the moment, really. It's taking forever. I could really play a Flash game and finish it before the compilation is done. Or I could unlock some levels on my game before the compilation is done. But I can't, because the logic is not right. And I can't go to the next level for some reason. So also is what's made me think. Wait. There's something that was strange. Is that it did not unlock the next level. Like, and I'm gonna try something else if it still bugs. When I finish the level and press next, it brings me back to the main menu and with only the first level unlocked. So I know that if max level is updated, it should work. I've already done this before. However, it did not show it. So I don't know, maybe I have to restart the game to see the thing edited. So next menu works now, next level works like instantly. You don't even feel like you're connected to something. It's very fast. No worry, I just play fine. And now, it bugged. For no reason. So that's interesting. It just unlocked some levels. So I finished the level 4 and it didn't work. And again. And it still tells me I can only go up to the level 3, even though I know I can go much further. And I'm gonna quit the game, start it again. And apparently the game crashed when I say application.quit. So that's interesting. Game loading. Hang on, we didn't stop. We didn't stop. So the game crashed but did not stop. Yeah, now I've got a splash screen, which is a bad sign. Still locked to level 3. And I've lost 2 clone points in the meanwhile. Okay, I think I've screwed up everything here. I think I've screwed up everything. Okay, I just unlocked level 4, but it doesn't want to unlock it. Okay, let's reset the progress. Played level 1, going back to the main menu, and level 2 is not unlocked. So, means that earn clone points. Okay, these two. Okay, that means I'm gonna have to wait for one of these. And I'm probably gonna do this the opposite way. This is gonna go here. Oh, I know what's wrong. Or not. Let's say we don't get clone point here. So I'm pushing the max level, and then when it's done, I need to set dirty, or even better, get object, find object of type, menu manager, and set it to dirt. That way that callback would work no matter where you are. And I'm gonna do the same here. Okay, that's really stupid, because I can't use them in here neither, can I? Can I do that? Don't think so. Yeah, see, does not exist. Stupid compiler. Doesn't know what he's talking about. And I don't think I can do that because I need to inherit from something. Yeah, it's possible. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make it like this, and I'm gonna be I don't care, the compiler, and see if it works inside Unity, because I know that sometimes the compiler does not agree with what Unity can do, and the opposite. Well, frack me then. Ah, I hate this. I hate doing this. I know I'm doing this. That's better. So you know what, I'll be back because I'm gonna do something else with this compile. Be right back. And I'm back, and it just finished. So, yeah, as I said, next time I'll do this in an emulator so you guys can see what I'm doing on the phone. Because right now the only thing I can do is describe what I see, and you know, describing a bug is not very interesting. So yeah, at the moment I'm just testing the game, I'm just trying to get through some levels. It doesn't bug yet. So there is an issue with the implementation of the logic of the Google Play save games. And for some reason, like before, it had a very naive way of doing it. Like basically every time I had to check something, I was loading the game, I was loading the save game, I was making the user wait, and then he was allowed to do something. And every time he, for instance, modified something, like a variable or what, he had to wait for the save game to be updated, and then he could play. Right now, it was going fine. Wow, yeah, it's a complete mess. So it's a complete mess. So what happened there? I was playing, it was fine. I was thinking, well, it's great. It's really a mess. And what happened is, I played some levels, it was going fine. Then the game froze. I went back to the main menu, and I had 6 levels unlocked. A couple of seconds later, I had 4 levels unlocked. Okay, well, then 6 levels unlocked, and now I only have 1. So there is a real issue here. So, normally when you save with Google Play, what you can do, sorry, is only update some bits of the save. So here, what you want to do is only whisper. Sorry, am I talking too loud or not enough? Okay, whisper. Okay, that's what I mean. I was wondering, why do you say whisper? Like, what? Am I not talking loud enough or something? Thank you, Wesley Ryan. I'll have a look, but not yet. I'm done streaming in 30 minutes anyway, so I'll have a look at what you just sent me. So, yeah, as I said, you can normally you can just send some parts of the save game to be updated, like the points or the progress. You don't have to update everything in one go. The issue is I've got a generic system, because we want to be able to save on PC with an offline system, and to avoid having too many of these ugly defines, I've got some abstract system like this, and the saver system is very generic too. Like, it could work with any other game. The issue is it's not possible for me, like in the current state of the saver, to update only one part of the save game, because the save game here is this object, which itself inherits from this object. So you've got this save data cube disaster. Recall the time is the time left before. That's the time the player has to wait before he can recover clone point, which is just the energy. Then how many clone points he has. So basically, when he doesn't have any more clone points, he can't play. The energy spheres, which are basically just a point system. Like, every time you finish a level, you get further, and as you get further, you get more energy spheres, and these energy spheres help you unlock levels. At the moment, that's not the way this is implemented, but this is gonna be used later. That's a date time which is used to remember when did the timer to recover the clone points started. And finally, max level unlocked is the current implementation of level lock. Like, this is just saying, okay, you can play up to the level N. If you're trying to play to a level N+1, it's not gonna work. And this class inherits from save data, which itself has some basics elements which should be present in any saves. Like, Google Play handles these elements for me, but since this is generic, I might as well just write them again. It's just going to take a little bit of space, it's not that much. You have a reset function, so you can have a clean save. You have an import, which is going to import from save data, because there is some reference issues when I was loading the stuff, so I need an import function but not an export. Export is fine. And here in the import function you can see I just read the clone points and set them accordingly. It's very straightforward. And what I should do if I was doing just a single save system with Google Play, when for instance I say, hey, just increase the max level, I should just save a new, just launch a new save and say, hey, save the next level, alright? Just save it to +1. And then if I want later on, let's say a second later, add a new clone point, I would say, hey, save a new save system, just update the clone point, just add it 1. That way, if the two saves are read, like, it doesn't really matter in what way the saves are read. Like, if Google server first receives the clone points and then the push max level, it's fine. It's not gonna really matter. Because it's gonna first add a clone point and then it's gonna push the max level. If it's read the other way, it's fine too. It's gonna push the max level and then earn the clone point. However, in my current save system, here I say push the max level, which is gonna increase the max level, and then it's gonna save everything, which is a bit annoying. And what's happening next here is that when I say earn a clone point, it's gonna load the save game, which is very unlikely to not be up to date with this, because this hasn't finished yet. Actually it is here, but it's not always the case apparently. Like, save game might not be updated or something, which means that this is outdated, like the max level is outdated. So then it's gonna earn a point and it's gonna erase everything again with likely the wrong max level value. So yeah, that's a bit annoying. So what I'm gonna have to do is probably to enhance this system, or this system, to actually do, to only update the data that needs to be updated. Like here, builder.build should only return the, wait, not this, the character description commit update here. So here I should only send some new data. I don't think I need to send everything. And in any case, when I'm doing this kind of stuff, it wouldn't help to actually have one function to do this too. I mean, it would solve the issue in one way, but not the real problem. The real problem is what happens if I call one of these functions and then another one of these too closely, like before the first one is finished. And that's a real issue anyway. Like, let's say you have a very bad connection and everything takes 15 seconds, for instance, to do. You're gonna do your thing here, and 15 seconds later you're gonna have finished a new level and you're gonna do the same again. Or you're gonna do something else with the save system. You're gonna like unlock a skin or something. This one hasn't finished yet and you're gonna load a save game which hasn't been yet erased here by this. So as I say, it doesn't really fix the problem itself. For people with a slow connection, it's just gonna be broken anyway. So one way to do that would be to keep an internal, like I know if it's on computer, like local, it's fine, I don't have to change it, but the save in Google Play is broken at the moment, and I think there's a way to do it, like the way I said, cleanly. There is a way to do it without having to push everything at the same time, or to keep the previous changes you have done before. Like right now, what I do is I load the game and then I add what I should add and then I save it. It's good and bad at the same time. What I should probably do is say, hey, push max level, then earn a clone point, then commit. That would fix it in a way, but still there's a problem. What happened if something is pushed. One other thing I could do is every time, like let's say I go here, it's gonna do this, and load current game, and then save current game. This is very manual. What I should do is actually have a queue of saves, and always wait for the first one to finish to the first one that has been sent to finish before executing the next one. So in that case, this is kind of what I do here. Like, I do this, and then when it's done, I do this. However, if something happened in the meanwhile, it's not going to get queued correctly. So if I add a queue, it should work much better. Much better. That requires changing the saver. No, sorry, not saver. This one. Or the way I use it. Like maybe add some interface. Like the way I have a save, especially for Google Play, for Cube Disaster, maybe a save interface where I just say, hey, increase that number, decrease that number, and everything else is done in the background. Like I just tell him, do this, do that, and it's happening on its own. Like I don't say commit or stuff like that. So that way I make sure everything will be queued correctly and we won't have any overlap. I'm not gonna do it now because I only have 20 minutes left and then I'm gonna move. So I'm not gonna take care of this right now. However, I have a better idea of what I should be doing tomorrow. I'm trying to think of other solutions, but in any way I think I'm gonna have to replace all this function, like all this load, save and everything. I'm gonna have to do this to do a class which is gonna do this in background, not use a menu manager for instance. It's not really clean anyway. Okay, so you know what guys, I think I'm gonna stop it now. I'm gonna stop the stream now because it doesn't make sense going further as I don't have really anything to do anymore. I've fixed the small bugs. I'm not gonna go back on the web now because I'm still pissed. I'll finish the web tomorrow probably, or anytime the week. I'm not gonna update the website anytime soon, anytime early than the end of the week anyway. So yeah, I think I'm gonna stop the stream right now. That way I can focus a bit more on what I can do, like in the rest of the evening. I'm gonna focus on what should I do, and I'll do that tomorrow at the beginning of the stream or once I'm done with the web. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, think about following us on the social network, which is what the bot is spamming on the chat. You can find us at Warp Scheme on Facebook or warp_scheme on Twitter. You can also follow me, Robin Goupil on Twitter,